No, this is Marshall. A real Rasta man in our town. Right at Central, here. Now, we are reason for about, how long, Marshall? About an hour.
You could say that.
You know what I'm saying? No, I said no. I'm a global entertainer, right? I'm going to tell you, from me meet this man, I'm going on a mission, right? And I've been here over an hour. This man is one of the greatest educator never come across in Jamaica. I'm just there in Jamaica 3 weeks now. I see how I come in, I never love where I go on because they watch me. The whole of Jamaica watch me. But you see this man here, who opened up my eye. His name Marshall. You see me? General in their place. General Marshall, I call him. Watch it now, YouTube. Keep watching me now because, you see we come for change and educate the youth there. Out of ghetto. Because we don't love where I go on because we now say we are living in the past. We want to come up in the future. But the way things are going, we feel like people are ungrateful to what we try to do to make peace in Jamaica right now. I'm going to be touring all over Jamaica. This man, he opened up my eyes a lot. I'm on a mission to King Street. But when I come back, I'm going to greet this man and put him on YouTube. Because the world needs to hear him. The whole global world needs to hear him. Because you say music is the key. We bring peace in the place. Because government now do nothing for it. So we are building with him, we stand up on one 2 foot.
You got to leave the government. The government is an organized body. The government is an organized body that check your fuel. How do you think the government should respond to millions of people? Which man so powerful? You could put the government out of what you're doing. All you have to do, if them declare a rules to you, you try to violate it and go through. Understand? You got your own resistance to keep up to achieve your goal. You can't check about government. It's not government give you the scientific knowledge you have. The government never pay money for you.
Yeah, but Marshall, are them name Bobby wrong, you know?
No, I would put it that way. I would put it Babylon like this. We can't honor it. The people them who represent.
Them are the same Bobby wrong, man.
Yeah, but look.
Yeah.
Look.
Yeah.
The aeroplane flies what we all need. The ship doing what we all need. Those are the people that get dancing. This is not days when we could slide and thin here through our knowledge and wisdom and understanding. We've been put down like lead. No. We able to move, so we got to depend on them flight and them boat. You understand, to move. All we got to do, try to declare more knowledge to the younger nation. Whatever we can handle. Maybe not financially, but the knowledge can help them. If they can listen, they will learn. And don't try to step in the quicksand, because there are so many quicksand around us. There are so many quicksand around us, and when we feel we need some help, and help is not available, we got to help one another by standing on our feet.
Sure.
Wait until him lying on the ground. Understand? Help him and him feet to get stronger and stronger and stronger. But if you're going to help him when he's going, not going to be no setback. Understand? Some people wait till the person falls down to lift him. No. Try to keep him up. That's what you can continue the journey.
A true man.
Understand? But some people don't understand what is the power. They see tomorrow, see today, then don't see tomorrow.
True.
You got to see today, tomorrow, next year, same way. As long as you have a future plan for your life. I'm not good in the industry. The knowledge keep me. I don't have to go in America, you know. I don't have to go in England, you know. I have enough knowledge. When I put my knowledge outside and receive.
Yeah, here because I want to come check your regular. Yeah, that stay here, sir. Don't go far it. Don't go far, here, sir. Stay at Jamaica, here. Don't left Jamaica, here. Yeah, man. It goes, sir, man.
No. To leave Jamaica, no, for me. You cost me a shit. You're gonna cost somebody. And I don't want people to be loose.
Yeah.
I rather have whatever they could help me out here. Because my knowledge is so broad. When in America right now, I'm feel bored. I'm not financially occupied. In Jamaica, when I sit and burn a spliff, look at this. This is a little small fish. When I burn my spliff, I eat this. And then feel, oh, I don't eat meat, you know.
You hear that? You hear the Rasta man I tell you?
Only fish.
Global was saying no, international you know.
Only thing I eat in flesh is this thing when I fish.
Aye.
Understand? So I
Aye.
have a little small one. I don't even carry a barbie load. I
Aye.
just carry the fish. I burn the marijuana now, set up the nerves, just relax. And then I put back my space in meditation. I do less talking.
I tell you, I want the best little time since I come to Jamaica, you know, Marshall. I hear your wisdom and thing in Jamaica. So the whole of YouTube, keep watching my channel and keep supporting me, right? Because them man there, we have to support them man there too, because them are educated Jamaica here. 1 in a million here. Superstar. Marshall. General Marshall.
What do you want?
Yeah man, like this.
I don't work with a press, you know.
You hear that?
Because the press have so many things hidden showing under the cellar. It should be right that the world could see. Working with the press, your knowledge restricted. You have a restricted knowledge work with press. You can't work with the press. If you should work with the press, you got to restrict your knowledge. You can't export it.
Right, that's it. And then after school, we wait till the next 1.5 from now, we have to look at the student. So when you see them about
You hear that general? You hear that general now come in for take a people YouTube. Now here's a man named DJ Glamour Black, lionheart record. See? I travel the world, I'm global. See? I'm an artist, musician, everything. So here what you say? Alright?
I say to the youth, them use them finger, them not use them head. That's why them go to prison and them are dead.
See?
So we have to educate them.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we dedicate ourselves to educate them.
Sure.
So we don't want to take in the education, well, them just go the other way, you see me?
Yeah.
So right here, so the education ground where we
Alright.
any one of the high school, I hear them every day, every evening.
You hear the man I said? Are your name, sir?
Yeah. Well, my name Ivan Scarcher and our OC Father Knocket.
Father not here. Alright, sir.
We are like localize. Them say we are localize, come together and make something better out of Jamaica. Like to build some factories where we maintain the government.
You hear what the man I say?
We maintain them factories.
Alright.
Because for the past 20, 30 years, the factories are built in Jamaica and it can be.
Yes, Dada. Tell them.
A whole heap of funds there here, we can funds and we get factories in the country because you can't have a nation without factories. Because factories are long-term development. And it's more a short-term development going around here. So we need some long-term development. With a few factories, even the first 3. Well,
Alright, Dada. You hear what the education? Another educator. Come in, never come in. The whole of them.
An original sassafras this. Original sassafras.
You hear what I say?
The man is still
YouTube. You hear me? Glamour Black to your place. Sassafras. Say something, Sassafras.
No, man. All the council love to all the people there. 1 million. Blessing to all Jamaica.
Alright, you hear that?
We need
General
some
Marshall.
more love.
My lock it up, I know.
More love.
My lock it up. Who are the educator?
Yeah, and we need some more love, like the pigeon and the barbie.
You hear Jamaica?
Yeah,
What
we
me
need
say?
some more love, like
The whole of Jamaica.
the whole of Jamaica.
Whole of Jamaica. What say? Global?
Yes, because Jah done make you already.
All right. We're going global now. Sign up. Out and back.